right, let's go ahead and get started with the look at the forecast, guys. Hey, we still have some showers out across east central areas this morning. Most of it now pushing into West Texas, but we're still going to be watching some good rain out near Tucumcari and parts of Quay County covered up in the light rain. And as far as the intensity of this goes, it's starting to weaken, so I'm not too concerned about it. We do have a few more of these spot showers likely in the same areas out near KRQE County, DeBaca, and stretching up towards Quay County, but not yet. So this morning, maybe a little bit of fog on your way out the door across the eastern plain, so give yourself some extra time there. But Albuquerque, we are quiet, 38 degrees, winds are light, clear sky overhead. Temperatures across the state are cooler out over northwest and northern New Mexico. We have a lot more 20s and 30s on the map this morning, including Taos down to 30, Durango down to 25, as well as Alamosa, even Grants in the mid-20s. But we have more of those 40s and 50s scattered out over the southern portions of the state. Now, by noontime, I expect us to be here in the metro, looking at about 55 degrees before we top out near 64. A few degrees warmer than yesterday, not quite at normal just yet, although the 70s will get back in here come tomorrow. So as far as the rain chances go, a little bit left over the far eastern plains, northeast, east central areas, Colorado, New Mexico state line. Also looking at the possibility of a stray snow shower up there. Will it be a lot? No, we're pretty much done with this system as we clear things out overnight, and we look to see the same kind of setup again tomorrow. A few showers left over the northern mountains. As far as the severe risk goes of these thunderstorms, we have a marginal risk down across Lee County. The rest of us, just a few pop-up thunderstorms, meaning it's possible to hear a little bit of thunder and lightning, but I do not expect these storms to be severe today. Spot snow to the north, some showers off to our east today, mix of sun and clouds elsewhere. And as we get into tomorrow, we get even drier as high pressure starting to build over the area. That is until we get to this weekend. We are tracking yet another storm. The thing about this storm, though, is the track is still a little unsettled. Our European model is putting this thing a little bit further up to the north, meaning Colorado will be in on another rain and snow event this weekend. But here in New Mexico, we'll get a lot more wind over anything. But our American model is actually taking this thing further south and directly through New Mexico, meaning statewide rain and snow chances could be a possibility by Friday and Saturday. And the active pattern actually continues behind this storm. So we're not totally done with the rain and snow just yet. I'm actually hoping that that storm does sink a little bit further to the south this weekend so we can get more rain than actual wind. But that's something we're going to have to nail down as we get a little bit closer and models come into better agreement. Until then, enjoy the sunshine. Southern Colorado, you got a lot of it in today's forecast. 53 in Durango, Alamosa a little cooler at 48. As we get into the Four Corners area, mix of sun and clouds. Pretty nice day, though. Farmington at 60. We'll be in the low 60s out in Gallup and Grants as well, with 20s and 30s overnight. Southwest, mostly sunny with temperatures widespread in the 70s today. Get ready for the 80s to make a comeback tomorrow and Thursday. Southeastern plains, some spotty to scattered showers and thunderstorms. The closer you are to that Texas-New Mexico state line, the better your shot of seeing a thunderstorm. Northeastern plains, same kind of thing. Some spot showers further off to the east. High temps in the 50s and 60s. Northern mountains, a mix of sun and clouds with a few spot showers. Again, closer to the state line, the better your shot at a stray snow shower. East mountains, pretty dry today. We'll bring back the sunshine with high temps in those low to mid 50s. Metro, high temps in the low to mid 60s for us today. Good amount of sunshine overhead. Winds will be light, so only about 5 to 15, so not bad there. We're quiet Wednesday, Thursday. There's that storm I'm talking about Friday, Saturday. At this point, Four Corners area, you guys are favored given the current track, but we'll watch to see when we get anything in the way of spot showers here in the metro with those overnight lows in the 40s and 50s. So again, we'll be tracking that storm. We'll fill you in on the details on Twitter.
Four Corners have been hammered lately.
I know. I was actually kind of surprised to see that much snow in our northern mountains. I mean, we were going, with about a foot in some parts of the higher terrain, but we did really well in many areas. New Mexico, San Juan's did well, San Cristo, so not too bad.
And it's needed because all that snow is going to melt and come down here.
And it's funny because given that setup, Colorado got a little too much. They ran into some snow problems, and Texas got a little too much rain. We were in that perfect middle,
Just enough.
Just enough, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get a check on